Okay, how's it going, guys? I have yet another item to unbox for you, the k800 Logitech wireless backlit keyboard. Okay, this item was always on my list of things to get, slowly to do so. The reason I get it, wasn't planning on getting it really until Black Friday. It's September 17th or something right now. And so yeah, I wasn't planning on getting this until Black Friday because it's probably going to be like $40 or something eventually. Maybe. 1 year ago in September, it was $40, and every sale after that was $60 versus a normal $80. So I got this at $60. It's a wireless backlit keyboard, as I said, the k800. Just gonna do a quick unboxing for you. The reason I got this is, I'll just show you real quick. Okay, new computer I have yet to make a video on. Right here is new home theater PC, and move my chair. That stupid keyboard right there has a trackpad built in. It's a terrible keyboard to use, and it's very frustrating. So I'm like, might as well get this keyboard I was planning on getting so I could see it anyway in the dark, and it's wireless and everything else, so I don't have any wires. But yeah, I'm ready to get to unboxing this now. Just can't cut this plastic. There we go. Good packaging from Logitech. I don't know if this plastic came from Logitech as well, but good packaging and everything. Oops, and I just ripped the box. Oops. Oh well. Set the keyboard off. This is a USB extension cable wrapped around. Nice quality here. To charge it, and you can also have it plugged in to do so. I think it has like 10-day battery life or something like that. Just your normal software and stuff. I'll just use Logitech's download on their website to do so. Always get the latest from online if you can. USB adapter. Don't know why this is separated. It should be like in the keyboard. I'll set this off to the side over here. And there's thing you couldn't even tell was in the box. Let's see. This is a no USB. Oh, says just a receiver going here and not a USB extension cable, which I guess maybe it's I'm not sure why it couldn't be used as a USB extension cable, but whatever. That's all that's in the box. Close this back up. Wish I didn't rip it, but oh well. Get to the features of the keyboard. Wrapped in a nice plastic here. Very thin off the bat. Yeah, it just dropped. Oh wow. A key just fell off. No, so far first impressions not good. Why that is. Let's see if it'll pop back on. Hopefully. Okay, you know what? Okay, the keys popped back on. I don't think I'm gonna have any issues, but that's kind of daunting. Okay, so far so good. First experience with the keyboard. It's a weird chiclet keyboard. I have a friend told me he didn't like really the feel of this type of keyboard. His friend had this keyboard, and he didn't really like it. But I'm not really using this for gaming or anything. I guess just general typing. It's gonna be a lot better than the keyboard I just showed you over there. Let's see if I can turn it on. And you can see the backlit keyboard right on. Goes away. Let's try this feature. Yep. And you put your hands over it, and it turns on. Just like that. That's cool. Very cool. I like that. First impression's good. It has the little feet in the back, which is necessary for me. I like having a risen keyboard. I don't know how people can stand it being flat on the desk. It drives me nuts. Calculator button here. You got your volume keys here. I'm gonna turn off the keyboard. Media keys. You got like battery, brightness. You got like search, email, home, change windows, pause, play, music, the works. I really like this dedicated calculator button here, as well as the volume controls right here. I do like that a lot. And just overall, it seems like a solid, well-built keyboard. Looks very nice. It looks like a glass, but it's actually plastic around the edge. Clear plastic. Overall, minus the key issue, so far so good. And I'll hopefully eventually get a review on this once I've used it for like a month or so, and let you guys know how it fares. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.